I am delighted to guide you into a very deep state of physical and mental relaxation. Please be sure you will not be distracted by anyone or any nearby device. Turn them to the off position or place them in another room on silent. This time is very important for you, so there is no need for any interaction with the outside world. Get into a very comfortable position now, with your favorite pillow or under a blanket if you wish. You can be sitting or lying down. You are in a very safe and secure place, and absolutely nothing will distract you for the duration of this session. This time now is entirely yours. Nobody needs you, and you have nowhere to be and nowhere to go. So just be grateful for this moment, exclusively for you. This occasion of rest and relaxation is to nourish you from the inside out. You deserve a break from this busy world around you. This is an occasion you have made to be only with you. Allowing for this date with yourself is allowing the natural sources of healing and strength that are within you to become fully present. We have a tendency to want things to be different from how we are experiencing them right now. But we are going to let go of this desire and allow things to be exactly how they are. Do not try to change anything or even wish that it will change during this session. Experience letting yourself be exactly how you are in this very moment. Any judgments you have about yourself or critical things you usually think about your body or mind can just fade away. Those things don't matter at all during this time with yourself. There is no right way to feel, just as there is no wrong way to feel. Feelings are just simply feelings. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Acknowledge how you are able to sense any sensations in your body and accept it. It's completely okay to feel whatever you are feeling. Take another deep breath in and let it go. Good. Become fully aware of your breathing now. Follow it and don't change anything about it. Bring awareness to your belly and just observe your belly rising and falling with your breath. Your belly expands and contracts when you breathe, just like a tiny baby when they breathe. This is the most natural way to breathe. Nice. Now use your beautiful imagination to witness that when you inhale, your breath travels all the way to every part of your body. And on the out breath, your entire body becomes more relaxed than it has ever been. Inhale all the way into every tiny area, which restores your body. And on the exhale, your mind becomes more open and relaxed than it has ever been before. Breathe in and out. Wonderful. Bring awareness to the fact that each moment that passes by in your life is part of your experience. It is here and it is now, and then it goes. It becomes only a memory. And noticing again the gentle rise and fall of your belly, up and down, expanding and contracting. Begin to slow down even more now and tune into the body. Scanning all of your muscles, become aware of any areas of tension and exactly where it's located. Breathe deeply into these areas now and exhale, feeling relaxation be delivered to these areas. Inhale deeply, and as you do, send compassion to those areas. And when you exhale, feel relaxation grow. Breathe into your legs with the same love you have for someone very close to you. Exhale relaxation. Breathe into your hips, sending love there. Experience no judgment. Exhale relaxation. Breathe into your entire back, sending compassion. Exhale, relaxing the nervous system. Breathe into your back again, sending it love. And exhale, relaxing the nervous system. Breathe into your neck now, chasing away the tension. And exhale into deep relaxation. Good. Dwelling on your pain is essentially practicing being in pain and identifying ourselves with it. Pain is just an experience we are aware of. Can you send this experience compassion? Send it love. Can you be okay with this pain? Understand that you are not your pain. It is only an experience in mortal form. Gently allow yourself to become aware of your surroundings and the present moment. In your own time, open your eyes and feel gratitude for yourself and this wonderful experience that you gave yourself.